If you have a mobile and internet, then you can earn money just by copy and pasting YouTube videos. Yes, it's possible to copy YouTube videos. Open Google and open YouTube from here. Search any category videos here like entertainment. I will search cute cats. Wow! What a beautiful cats are here. So nice. Amazing. Come back to the top. Click on Filter tab. Here, on the fourth number, Features, move your cursor down and click on Creative Commons. Now look at these videos. These are Creative Commons filtered videos. Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allow creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY license. If you have marked your video with a CC BY license, you retain your copyright. Look, this cat is looking very cute. Come back. I will download a video from here. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will be opened. Click on Download. Video is being downloaded. Finally, it is downloaded. You can create your channel on YouTube and upload these videos there. You will not face copyright issue on these videos because these are Creative Commons license videos. Means you have permission to use these videos. I should say, YouTube has given you permission to use these videos.
So you have no tension to make videos. You can promote a affiliate product by these videos on your Instagram page or on Shopify or Etsy. For this, make Amazon Associates account. Copy product link from here. Download these product-related video from YouTube which you should filtered by Creative Commons. And then upload this video on your social media pages by pasting a link in description. So people can buy this product by clicking on this link. It's a wonderful method of earning money.